Hi guys, it's Amal back with another video, and today I'm going to teach you how to use a hair diffuser, and I will also touch on some benefits of using it as well. A diffuser looks something like this, and it's very useful for creating texture in your hair. If you have straight hair or wavy hair, you can really help create some natural curls, and it is something that is used quite a bit these days as well. So I have my hair dryer and I have my diffuser, so let's get started. So I'm going to be using the Cantu custard sheer butter product today. This is apparently really good for bringing out natural waves and curls, so this is why I want to test this with the diffuser today. I have wavy hair. I also have fine hair. I think this product is fantastic if you have straight hair or wavy hair, just because it will help bring out your natural waves or curls. Okay guys, so set your hairdryer to high speed medium heat, and what we are going to do is we are slowly going to move around the diffuser. So you're going to go all around, and it's important to remember that you should not stay in one place for too long, because what you don't want to be doing is you don't want to be burning your hair or causing frizz. So that's why I'm literally just going around in circles all around my hair, just to make sure that the hair is evenly distributed. Patience is key when it comes to using a hair diffuser, so don't worry if it's taking a little bit more time than you usually would take on a hairstyle. It's about making sure that you're bringing out your natural curls, you're bringing out your natural waves. So there's no right or wrong answer, guys. Take as much time as you need. As you get further into the diffuser application, you'll start to notice the waves are starting to stand out, and also you'll see some natural curls as well. And you can see it with my hair as I've gone more into the application of using the diffuser. It's really starting to show that my waves and my natural curls are coming out. I think it's more of a case to just spend a considerable amount of time for the best outcome. Just make sure you do the same thing for the fringe as well, guys. You want to make sure that with the application, you are moving it around and not just keeping it in one place on your fringe, just because you don't want it to frizz out. Another quick tip I want to share with you guys is that if you scrunch your hair, you will actually create natural curls in the hair. So this is something you can also do as well. So we're just going to finish off with some final touches, guys. Like I said, there's no right or wrong answer here. You can spend as much time as you want until you are satisfied with the outcome. And here is the final look, guys. I really do like this product that I used today. You'll be able to see the natural waves and the natural curls as well. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, take care.